So in my intro, I realized all I said was that I was a freelance videographer. So while that's true, it doesn't exactly show where I'm coming from with my information, my background, and then it also doesn't show what I'm trying to learn. So what I primarily do is I shoot music videos in my local area and really all across my state. I'd love to keep growing and get bigger and also attract bigger artists who have a bigger budget than what I already work with. I also shoot shows from local venues and mic nights all the way up to bigger venues who have bigger artists, and those are really fun. I would consider myself a beginning wedding cinematographer, but as you know, the world is changing. That's not really happening right now, but this is something I'd like to continue doing. And something I've never done, but I really want to get into is corporate style videos. So anything from working with small businesses, large businesses, car dealerships, restaurants, things like that. I think that'd be super fun and where I want to grow. So my background is in photography. I started on a film camera when I entered high school, and as I got into my junior year, I got my first DSLR, and I continued to take photography classes throughout high school. Then I went to college and, tried to enjoy the whole experience and ended up, kind of falling out of the whole camera world until I'd say about 5 years ago when I got a digital SLR again. I really wanted to capture the moments of my daughter's life, and that's why I got the camera, and I started getting into video. I started watching tons of YouTube videos on how to shoot video, the right settings, because I didn't know anything about video. Wow, I feel like I've said video a lot. I tried YouTube for a little while, but I was very inconsistent, and I wasn't too passionate about what I was doing videos on. I was in the tech space, and while I love tech, and I love having tech, doing videos and just talking about tech wasn't really my thing. Then I ended up getting a full-time career for a couple years, and again, didn't touch a camera for a while until I moved to the state I'm in, North Carolina, and I got back into it. That was in 2018, and I started actually getting back into photography because I wanted to pick up pretty much a hobby, and that hobby eventually, after about a year, became my full-time job. And that leads us to where I am today. And so I'm pretty happy with where I am, but I definitely want to grow and definitely want to get bigger. And now I want to really share the knowledge that I learned, because now I feel like I'm semi-decent at what I do. So I think, maybe someone can learn from what I do, or maybe even, the experiences I've been through to get themselves started, or maybe even just get themselves one step further. So I've got some cool new gear that I want to test out, as well as some old gear that I'm going to bring back into some of my videos. And I'm really excited to try that out, and I think that's going to spark some ideas for my channel. So stay tuned, and I'll bring that your way.